Will cook or saute bagoong alamang fresh from Philippines. So ibuhos natin dito sa kawali and then turn off natin ang flame. And then we'll put vinegar. Ang sikreto nito ay lagyan ng vinegar para matagal masira. So lagyan natin ng vinegar. Ayan, tama na yung vinegar. So we'll boil this one until become dry. So this is already cooked. Now I will transfer here and I will saute garlics. We have to turn off first the flame and then we will transfer here. Because I will use this pan for saute garlics. Now let's saute now garlics. Lots of garlics. Now we'll put now this alamang, bagoong alamang. Cook with vinegar. Now we'll put also green chilies and chili powder or red chili flakes, optional. So I like little bit spicy. So that's why I add green chili and chili powder. And then we can add also brown sugar, little bit brown sugar. Yeah. This is from Mariam Yagamochi, from my friend Japanese. Cover natin for a while and then we'll cook few minutes. So let's check. So this is already cooked. I will turn off now the flame and then when become cold I will transfer. I will put in small bottle or jar. Sauteed bagoong alamang with lots of garlics, green chilies and little bit chili powder. This is fresh from Philippines. Ito na yung aking niloto na bagoong alamang. Ayan. Ang bango. Tapos, tinikman ko, ang sarap. May combination na medyo maasim, pero hindi naman masyado maasim, and then matamis, na maasim, matamis. Hindi maalat kasi hindi ko na nilagyan ng asin. Basta masarap siya. Ayan. Kunti lang yung sugar brown sugar na nilagay ko, kaya masarap po. Tapos nilagyan ko ng bawang. Ayan. So, takpan ko na lang ito. Ito yung takip niya. Sauteed bagoong alamang with lots of garlics and some green chilies.